Hello everyone, in this video we'll see UK's latest situation. UK government has recently announced they are moving into Plan B. So Plan B is reintroducing the face mask in all the closed environment, and a lot of venues have been introducing COVID passport. You have to show the COVID vaccination passport, then only will be allowed to enter the venues of sports or nightclub or indoor activities area. So that's been started. Also the booster program has been extended for all adults. Anyone over the age of 18 years, they can book their appointment for booster vaccine. Booster vaccine is mainly given as Pfizer, not AstraZeneca. So Pfizer and Moderna are given as a booster vaccine. So the government has brought forward this 18-year to 30-year-old booster program from January to December, that is mid of December, due to the increasing cases of Omicron. So Omicron cases are doubling every day. So by Christmas, they are expecting the number of cases might hit around 50,000 cases. People are getting admitted in the hospital with Omicron as a COVID reason. So that's getting a situation worse. So in UK, so government is planning for Plan C as well. So Plan B is already started. Plan C, there will be few more restrictions. We don't know whether the outdoor dining will be stopped. The schools will go back to the schools, and the colleges and universities will go back to online education. We don't know, but government is waiting till the end of Christmas so that they can introduce the Plan C. So Plan B is already started. So work from home is started. As I mentioned, all the shops now require to wear face mask. That is already started. Plan C mostly will be like more schools will be closed and online classes will start, and then all the dining activities will stop. So government is holding off until Christmas, because the Christmas is a major income generation for business. They don't want to disrupt that. If they disrupt that, what will happen? It will come back to the government. They have to support the all the people who are losing jobs. So government is saying, okay, wait till Christmas, and the next day of Christmas they will announce the Plan C, which is much stricter than the Plan B. So Omicron is now spreading as a community spread, not from the people who are coming from South Africa, because all the flights from South Africa are banned. So people already who are in UK with Omicron, who are not traveled to South Africa, they are spreading the community spread. So almost all the regions in UK have this Omicron variant. So the cases are doubling, as I mentioned. That's the main concern now. Government is saying they want to delay the number of cases rising by half, and then they want to delay the number of cases going to hospitals so that they will able to handle the situation. So there is a definitely indication that the third wave is already started, or the next wave is already started in UK. So government is keeping very close eye. So in India, back in India, situation is less than 100 for the whole of India. That might suddenly change because of the community spread. So people should be very careful in this December January period. This is same thing happened last year. So people were very lenient in the social distancing, and then it started to peak in February, March, April. So UK is in the peaks the winter. So definitely during this season we have flu, and then this new variant is also increasing the pressure on the government plus the NHS, which is the hospitals handling the cases. The main information is government has started a Plan B, and then Plan C, government is ready to do that by end of Christmas. After Christmas they will introduce Plan C. Most likely it will be social distancing, more online classes for schools, colleges, and then universities. Also they will stop the dining activities from hotels, so only you can take away. That's the main update. If you are coming to UK, please consider this and come to UK. All the people in UK are being asked to, all the adults are being asked to take a booster vaccine. So that's started, and there is a huge rush for people booking that. I tried yesterday night. It was around 500 people waiting in the queue. That is, the system has put me on hold for around 10 minutes to wait to book the vaccination. So if you're coming to UK, consider these things and then come to UK. Definitely international students, you might need to be careful if you're taking a January intake, whether the classes will start online or it's going to be a face-to-face class. Hope this video helps you get a better information about UK. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.